Good day, Sir Nakuha. We are going to discuss about the murder. By this, we have some topic, sacrificing your life for others, and then we have choosing between killing a child or older when you are driving, and then there's an accident. Then there is one people that you need to kill in order to save five people, or you will risk killing five people just to save one person.
Good day everyone. My question is, if you are driving, you have to choose. So kill a kid or old man person, who kill your choice? My choice is, I think for me, I would choose to kill the old man because their life is already nearing its end. Habang ang bata ay nasa unahan pa ng buong their whole life ahead of them. The next question is, if you are in the situation that you need to sacrifice yourself for others, will you do it? For me, yes. I would sacrifice myself for others kung nangungulugan ito na pagliligtas sa kanilang buhay or pagtutulong sa kanila ng malaki.
So for me, kung mag-base tayo sa are you willing to sacrifice yourself for other people, is for me is it depends on someone it depends on someone or to people that you really want to sacrifice yourself. Depends on circumstances, that if the individual was too old for me, I might think that I would sacrifice myself to two young people, because sila yung next generation. Siguro mas tatagal pa yung buhay nila, kasi para sa akin iti-take ko yun as mas makakatulong sila na makatulong pa sa ibang tao kapag bata sila. Hindi katulad kapag matanda na, di ba, maiksi na lang ang buhay. Pero siguro depende nga sa sitwasyon, kasi pwede naman tayong tumulong nang hindi natin kailangan i-sacrifice yung sarili natin, kasi masyado nang mahirap kung isasakripisyo mo yung buhay mo tapos may pamilya. Siyempre may pangarap na rin yung gusto matupad sa pamilya mo, but ayun nga, depende pa rin sa circumstances. Kaya for me, siguro I sacrifice myself to the young people para din sa opportunity nila, kasi mas kailangan nila, mas makakatulong in the long run, mas makakatulong sila dito sa bansa, and also they can help other people too kung sakali. I think that's it. Thank you.
If you are in the situation that you need to sacrifice yourself for others, will you do it? No, depends of situations. If I will sacrifice myself in other way, tulad ng example, kung sasacrifice ko yung buhay ko, hindi. Kasi syempre, isa lang naman yung buhay natin, hindi naman natin mauulit to. So, hindi po. If naman sa ibang bagay naman, sacrifice ko if nakakatulong naman ito sa kanila. Second question, if you are in the situation that you need to choose from killing one person or five people killing 5 people, what will you choose? So, I will none in above because hindi naman tayo basta-basta papatay ng tao. Hindi naman tayo yung Diyos para patayin yung isang tao kung wala namang ginawang masama. Siguro kung may ginawa naman masama ito, ang batas na lang ang dapat magparusa sa kanila. Kasi hindi naman tayo ang dapat pumatay. Wala tayo sa lugar magpatay ng isang tao. Kasi kapong tao din naman natin sila. Kahit ano mang ginawa nilang kasalanan.
Ako papapiliin dun sa senaryo na handa ka bang sacrifice yung sarili na para sa iyo. Nakadepende naman yun dun sa tanong. Kung yung kasama ba dun sa ibang tao na pagsasacrifice mo ng sarili and kasama yung pamilya, okay lang. Kasi at least yung pamilya ko ligtas. Then, dun naman sa mamimili ako kung yung isa mamamatay o yung 5 yung mamamatay. Ang pipiliin ko, kung wala na talagang choice, doon na ako sa isa na lang yung mamamatay kaysa dun sa 5. Kasi mas maraming mamamatay, mas maraming malulungkot. So, then pangit yung epekto nun. Alam ko masama namang pumatay, pero kung depende naman sa senaryo, kung wala ka na talagang choice, siguro mas pipiliin talaga yung isa na lang mamamatay kaysa dun sa 5. So, I have a debate about death penalty. I think I agree on death penalty because some cases or some action of the criminal can be higorous crime or hindi mapapatawad na krimen. So, or ito'y labag na sa Diyos, sa batas ng Diyos at sa batas din ng tao. So, iniisip ko na madalas na death penalty na lang para makapagbago ang tao kasi madalas din napupuno ang kulungan ng kriminal at yung mga kriminal na hindi naman talaga kriminal, naging kriminal dahil sa pakikisama nila sa mga kriminal. And then, eye to eye, kung anong ginawa mo, dapat gawin din sa'yo. The punishment is fitted to the crime. So, the punishment will be as equal as the crime that is committed. So, that's my standpoint. And then, let's go to the sacrificing yourself for others. First, I need to think, I want you to think that if the person is worth sacrificing, maybe it's your family, your friend, or your lover, it's worth sacrificing. But if is a criminal or other people that you don't know, maybe it's not. So because you don't know if they are really good or they are bad. Next, let's go to the 1 person to 5 person. In any situation, if I am in a case of I need to torture one person to save many people, I will do that. Mostly in investigation, I need to torture one person and gather information or data so I can save many people. Thank you, Sir Nakuha. Thank you everyone for listening and have a great day. That's all. Thank you.